Greetings! Today I'll go over the features of the RTS wheeled vehicle controller, and I'll try to briefly explain how the pathfinding mechanism works. So if we open up the example scene, we can see three different vehicles here. Two are wheeled vehicles and one is a tracked vehicle. All of the vehicles basically follow the same design principle and are operated in the same way, but there is a slight difference to how the tracked vehicles move around the map. As you can see, this example terrain uses the Unity's nav mesh, but you might get better results if you try to tweak with the settings of the nav mesh and the agent settings, and you might get better results for yourself than what you will see here. So let's run this. As you might expect from an RTS game, here you can select vehicles, you can select single units, and you can deselect them. You can tell the units to move anywhere you'd like, and they will move to the designated destinations. There are three basic ways of getting to a destination depending on what the situation of the vehicle and position of the vehicle is. The first scenario is when the destination is right behind the vehicle. In that case, it doesn't make sense for the vehicle to turn around. It's simpler for it to just back up into the destination. The second one is when the destination is within the vehicle's turning radius, in which case it can simply turn around and make a 3-point turn to the destination. And the third way it can move is if the destination is approximately in front of the vehicle, in which case it's just going to go in front and turn. You can also take manual control of the vehicles by pressing M and drive them with the WASD keys. If we give this vehicle a destination now and switch into the scene view, we're going to see that this vehicle uses pathfinding, which is based on Unity's nav mesh, which means this asset should be probably compatible with any project you have previously developed if it uses the Unity's built-in nav mesh. The way this works is the nav mesh offers you methods to extract corners from a path that you want to traverse on the map, and what that does is it gives you a temporary destination for this vehicle to move to. So this vehicle is currently computing how it will move to this first waypoint, so to say. Now if we unpause this and go into the scene view, you're going to see that there are calculations based on where the vehicle is currently moving and based on the angle that it is taking to the current destination. Now that we have three methods of getting to a position, now we need to actually get positions. In fact, those positions are now going to be waypoints, which tell us how to get to a specific position in the map. So if I tell this truck to move somewhere here around these houses, what it's going to do is, if we switch to the scene view, you can see that there is a path which it follows, and it treats every next destination as the current destination. So it's going to move between these buildings, and it's going to get to, see here, it can't move anymore.